Hi everyone. I hope you were all able to find a topic you like for our fourth essay. I'll be responding to your proposals soon, so please check back on the Dropbox. Today I'd like to talk briefly about successful research practices. If you haven't already, please review the directions for the annotated bibliography due Monday the 25th. The research log that's assigned for Wednesday, November 20th will help you begin to consider the sources you will use. Please notice that on our schedule, it says another research log is due on Monday, November 25th, but this should say annotated bibliography. Don't worry, this means less work for you, not more. Now, let's start thinking about finding scholarly and reliable sources for your research. Don't forget our textbook offers a lot of helpful information about what certain sources have to offer and how to successfully search the library's database. The database is where you will likely find the two required scholarly sources. You might also find it helps you find other necessary articles and documents. Don't forget, if you look under the old announcements on D2L, you'll see I posted some tips and helpful links to use when you are conducting your research. The first thing to keep in mind is that a successful database search involves coming up with very specific keywords. Before you start, make a list of all the words that relate to your topic. Include the synonyms that exist for that word. Just because you can't find what you want using the word rock doesn't mean you won't find something when you try typing in stone, boulder, or pebble. Make your search more successful by avoiding stop words. Stop words are commonly used words that will automatically stop a computer keyword search because they occur too frequently. Some examples of stop words that you don't want to type into the search box are the, an, at, for, from, and then. Please look at the database search tutorials I've listed on the announcements page. I think they will help you improve your search skills. Are you wondering what I mean when I say two of your sources must be scholarly? This goes back to the reading we did on page 125. Some sources are popular and others are scholarly. You'll find that popular sources are the largely circulated magazines that are written so anyone can understand. You can usually tell they are a popular source when they have glossy pages and colorful pictures and advertisement. Scholarly sources aren't as colorful. They are written to an expert audience, so the language and ideas are much more specific. They are also peer-reviewed, which means that before they were published, a group of experts had to approve the article. Yes, it may be more difficult to get through these articles, but they are going to move beyond general information and help you start to really think about the topic. That is why you are required to use at least two scholarly sources for this assignment. Though in an ideal world you would use more. One easy way to know your sources are scholarly is to check the little box next to the search box that is labeled peer-reviewed. By checking this, you will tell the search engine to only show you articles that are scholarly, peer-reviewed sources. Also, when finding your other sources, use the tips on evaluating sources from our textbook. I will expect you to use the guidelines from pages 132 and 138 when researching. Your research log that's due on Wednesday will ask you to think about these guidelines. Don't forget, a critical thinker and reader seeks out a variety of sources and viewpoints. Also, make sure to research the counter-arguments that your audience might have. Please email me if you have any questions or need any help. I'm looking forward to seeing your ideas. Happy researching!